Hi, I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's Hidden Apron. Welcome to my kitchen. We're going to use a wok. No, not something you throw at a wabbit. Come on. It's been a long time since I've used a wok. I didn't really get the hang of it the first time, but I'm going to try it again. I'm going to make some stir-fry pork with rice noodles and deluxe stir-fry veggies. And here's the noodles. I'm going to add some extra water chestnut. I love the crunch, crunch, crunch from that. But the first thing we're going to do is get these noodles in this wok boiling. I'm bringing 4 cups of water to boil. I did put a little bit of oil in that because this is the first time I've used it. So. But we're supposed to cook these, and then we're going to drain them and rinse them with cold water so they stop the cooking process. We're going to cook them for 4 to 6 minutes. Then I'm going to drain that off, and then I'm going to put my pork in. And this has been marinating all night. I'll use a little bit of coconut oil when I go to cook that. Right. Get those in. Go ahead and set my timer for 6 minutes. Going to mix them around, stir them around a little bit so they don't stick together. And then after 6 minutes, we're going to take them over here and drain them and rinse them in cold water. Okay, time to drain the noodles. And they did stick a little bit, so I'll have to get that cleaned up, but right now I'm going to get these noodles cooled down. We're just going to let that water keep running over them until they're completely cooled. Got the oil melting down, the noodles are cooled, and so now we're going to put our pork in there. Fry it all up. You want to be sure and cook your pork all the way through. I think I'm going to add another tablespoon of oil to it. There we go. After I get that cooked somewhat, then I'm going to go ahead and add the vegetables. Now yesterday, when we put this in and sealed it, it's got some red pepper flakes in it, garlic, some ginger, some turmeric, and some of this teriyaki marinade. And I'm going to put just a little bit of soy sauce in it after we get it cooked up pretty good. Okay, now once this gets browned up, we'll add the other stuff in. Now, the vegetables. I'm going to add a couple of green onions in. chop this broccoli down a little bit smaller. I don't mind broccoli at all, but I don't like it when it's huge, huge bites. Right. Then the last thing we're going to do, well, as far as the cooking goes, we're going to add these noodles back in. Don't think I'm going to add that many though. Maybe I shouldn't have used the whole bag. Some of this teriyaki marinade, about a 1/4 cup. And I'm using some low sodium soy sauce. A couple tablespoons. Give it a little stir. Cover all the noodles. Now we're going to continue to let that cook until everything gets heated real well. But listen, don't you just listen to this. Love the water chestnut. I am going to add some more crushed red pepper flakes. A little more ginger. That was about a teaspoon, I believe. Smells good. Hope it tastes good. I'm just guessing at it, y'all. I don't have a clue what I'm doing. Maybe I should have watched some YouTube videos first. Maybe I should reach out to some of my friends and ask, huh? Do you friends out there have any suggestions for something to cook in a wok? There's one more thing I'm going to put in there. It probably doesn't sound like it belongs in it, but I'm putting sweet chili in it. It's G. Hughes. That was probably a 1/4 cup. Pretty sure there's going to be enough for lunch tomorrow as well. Doesn't that look delicious? Wow. Oh, it smells so good. Making my mouth water. Now that stir fry one that I used is the deluxe one. It doesn't have the cauliflower. It has the corn, the little peas, the snap peas, sweet peas, I think is what it's called. It had water chestnut, but I wanted to add more to it. Broccoli. Little shreds of carrot. Alright, get this turned off. Starting to stick a little bit to the bottom again, so we don't want that happening. The noodles tend to fight just a wee bit with you, but it's okay. there we go. We'll get it over here and see what Tom thinks about it. Smells great.
It does. It's a steamroll out of this.
Mm-hmm.
Boy.
Might have to wait. What do you think?
I think it's going good. I'm gonna take another bite too.
It's not the Great Wall, but does it work?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Thank you, thank you.
You are welcome. All right, y'all. There you go. Y'all know I've already been munching on these water chestnut, but I'll do it again. It's very good. I like it. I don't know if that's how you do stir fry, but that's how I did it today. It's a little on the spicy side. But you all take care. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment below on how you make stir fry and what you use your wok with. How ways that you use your wok, so that I can give some of those ideas a try. But if you haven't subscribed yet, hope you will. Click the subscription button and then the notification bell so that you know every time I put new content on. But you all take care, and we will see you next time. Bye.